Hello and welcome in our first series. In this series, we teach you C# in 3 parts: Basic, Intermediate and Advanced. Okay, right now you are in the basic part and we're gonna teach you all fundamental concepts. But before anything, you should to know about our main goal in the CMOGNEST. The main goal in all our courses is to cover everything in a simple, visual and practical way. In these courses, we don't just focus on teaching. We also show you the path of understanding the concepts we teach, so you can defend your knowledge. Okay, let's get a quick overview of what you would be learning in this course. In getting started, we're gonna talk about .NET and C# and their differences. Then, we discuss about C# application structure in detail. In the next session, you learn about variables and data types. In the section 4th and 5th, you'd be introduced to the C# numbers. Once that's done, it's time for characters and strings. Starting section 7, we'd focus on operators. And in the next one, you'll understand what expression means in C#. After that, we teach you what is conditional statements and how to write them. Finally, we'll end up our course with loops, arrays, and lists. Okay, we are so excited in CMOGNEST to start this course with you. Let's do it.